Need to stop contactless payments on your Android phone? In this guide, I'll show you two quick ways to disable NFC and prevent tap-to-pay transactions in just a few simple steps. The fastest method is through the Quick Settings panel. Start by swiping down from the top of your screen twice to open the full Quick Settings menu. Look for the NFC icon among the available toggles. If you don't see it right away, swipe left or right to view additional shortcuts. Once you find the NFC toggle, tap it to turn the feature off. On most Android devices, the icon will become grayed out or inactive, indicating that NFC has been disabled. If the NFC button is missing, tap the edit or pencil icon and add the NFC toggle to your Quick Settings panel for easier access in the future. You can also completely disable NFC through your phone's Settings app. Open Settings and tap on Connections or Connected Devices, depending on your Android version. Scroll until you find NFC and contactless payments. Tap on it and switch the NFC toggle to the off position. Some phones may also display additional payment options, such as your default wallet app. Once NFC is disabled, these contactless payment features will no longer work until you turn NFC back on. Disabling NFC is useful if you rarely use mobile payments, want to save a small amount of battery life, or prefer extra security when carrying your phone in public places. Keep in mind that NFC is also used for tasks such as pairing certain accessories, reading NFC tags, and transferring data between compatible devices. Turning it off will temporarily disable those functions as well.